Hello everyone, this is Sreeram from the Department of SEE. So today we are going to see the basic introduction on LaTeX tool. So the contents that we are going to cover today is introduction to LaTeX. Basically you all know that LaTeX is a great tool for formatting, provides great flexibility and also works especially good at mathematical and scientific equation writings. So then we have the structure to write a document, what are packages and how packages are used, what are the purposes or advantages of packages. Then we have font size and styles that can be used within LaTeX. Then we have justifications and line spacing within LaTeX. Then we have how to create a table, how to create the number of rows and columns in a table, and the main important thing is how to write mathematical equations and symbols in LaTeX. So let's get with things done. So just skip the introduction part. So it's a basic thing. So let us directly go to the document structure. So using the document structure we can create the document either as an article or else like a slide. So but we have some common commands such as /document class. So whatever the commands that we are using, we have to put slash before that. Without slash, the command given will not be accepted by the LaTeX. It will be considered as a normal word and not considered as a command. So don't forget to give your slash before your command. So /document class / use package / begin document and / end document. Within this begin document and end document, the content that you have to write in your LaTeX file has to be done. So in the document class, article gives you things like the one that we are looking at here, like sheets, and we can also customize the size of the sheet like A4, A5 or any other sizes. Or if you are looking to type your contents in a PPT slide, then we can have Beamer. So instead of writing these things by hand, we have a simple trick. So let's open a new one. Go to the wizards in the toolbar. Here you can see quick start. If you go there, you can see document class article. We can write a report, letter, book or Beamer. So Beamer is the one with the slide. So initially we will go for article. 10 points. Paper size, we have a list of paper sizes, and there are some other options too. Let us just get rid of it. And here we have our basic things that are automatically done just by clicking the option. So you can write your stuffs in between the begin document and the end document, compile it, and just like that you can see your things written in your sheet. So if you are looking to write your things in a slide, similarly you can go for wizard. Instead of going quick start looking for Beamer, just we have quick Beamer presentation. Click here. Here you can see the size of the sheet is like a slide in a PPT. So just give OK, and that's it. We will get all our commands, basic commands that we require to get a slide is done. So here you can see begin frame and end frame. So begin frame and end frame is begin frame denotes the start of the slide and end frame is the ending of a slide, of a single slide. So if for example you can write something here and then just click enter, go for begin frame again. Begin frame. If you give begin frame, automatically end frame will be appear. Just get your things done in the next slide. Compile it. Yeah, so we have given 2 slides. Already there is a slide here. So totally 3 slides should appear. So 1, 2 and 3. So you can either have a sheet or slide to get your things done in LaTeX. So just go to the content here. So these are the basic structure to create a document where you can write your content in slide or article sheets. So next we are going to look at the packages. So here, after writing the document class, we are using packages, use package. So packages are nothing but they are additional files which helps in extending the functionality of the LaTeX system. They provides greater flexibility in formatting and customize fonts, and also helps in writing mathematical symbols and equations. We can also add images and graphics. So the common syntax to include your package in the LaTeX system is by writing /use package and the package name within the bracket. So there are various types of LaTeX packages like document formatting, mathematical and scientific packages, graphic and image handling, table and tabular enhancements, text formatting and font handling, bibliography and citation, hyperlinks and navigation. So here in the below table I have given some of the most commonly used packages, not all the packages. Note the point, only few of the most commonly used packages are given. If you require any other packages that are not within this table, you can search online, and if you think where can I find that particular package, there is a website called CTAN, where all the packages of LaTeX are available for free. You can install it and you can use it for free. So packages play a major role in formatting and flexibility of the LaTeX system. So then we have font size and font style. So in font size we can go from tiny to huge. So there is a variety of font sizes that you can explore yourself with, from tiny to script size, footnote size, small, normal size, large, huge and huge. So there is a variety of font sizes that you can explore, get your things. You can use these font sizes to denote the importance of each sections and stuffs. And mainly talking about sections, I forgot about that. Yeah, here you can see the table of contents. So if you're looking to write your table of content in LaTeX, it's quite simple. Just write /table of contents. That's it. Just /table of contents, and all your sections will be appearing on your table of content on their own way along with their page number. This can be achieved with just /table of contents, and along with that using the another command /section. So this command is used to create section like, so /section introduction to LaTeX will automatically compile itself and provide section 1 introduction to LaTeX. So if you go below, section document structure, section 2 document structure. So these sections will automatically appear on your table of contents along with the page number. So here you can see the introduction to LaTeX as well as the document structure are in page 3. So section play a major role in creating the table of contents. So if you are having subsection, then you can use slash subsection, and you can even use slash subsection. So here in the mathematical equation symbols, we have a subsection 7.1 writing mathematical equation, for which we have a subsection 7.1.1 and 7.1.2. So you can write section, subsection and subsections in LaTeX, and using these command will make your table of contents very easy. So we have been looking at font sizes, and after font sizes we can look for font style. So font style, even here I have been using font styles, for example here slash text BF. So font styles usually is used to like the basic styles that we have been allowed to use in Word, like slash text BF for bold text, slash text IT for italic text, slash underline for underlining the text, slash text TT for monospace text, and so on. So these are some basic font styles that we can use in LaTeX, which for example here you can see I have been using the text BF to denote the importance of these words: wizard, quick start, quick beamer presentation. Like that you can use the font style to denote the importance of the words, where these words lie within the normal paragraphs in your content. So going next, we have justification. So in justification we all know that we have center alignment, left alignment and right alignment. These are the basic alignments that we have in our Word too. So in the left alignment we use the command flush left. For right alignment we use the command flush right, and for center alignment we have begin center. So for left alignment we have begin flush left, end flush left. For right alignment, begin flush right and end flush right. For center alignment, begin center and end center. And just default justification we have slash justify to get our default justification. That's it. Then moving on to spacing, we have two subsections in spacing: the interline spacing and the horizontal and vertical spacing. So interline spacing is nothing much like spacing between each lines uniformly, like that. So to get our spacing commands done in our LaTeX, we have to use the package setSpace for both interline spacing as well as horizontal and vertical spacing. The commonly used package is setSpace. So if you need to use spacing in your content, then you have to use the package setSpace. So for interline spacing we have single spacing, one half spacing, double spacing, line spread, where line spread is like it's like a variable. You can provide the line space manually using line spread, whereas for single spacing, one half spacing and double spacing, the line space will be denoted or default for that command. The line spacing or default for single spacing, one half spacing and double spacing, whereas for line spread we can give our own line space manually. We also have horizontal and vertical spacing, whose syntax are like slash h space, slash v space, where h denotes for horizontal and v denotes for vertical. nothing critical, just H for horizontal and V for critical, which denotes H space, horizontal spacing, V space, vertical spacing. That's it. And these are like flexible to your own. You can provide the value of how much space you require within the bracket. So next, going into the tables. Getting tables done in LaTeX is quite a hectic thing to do, because let's see. So getting tables in LaTeX is so confusing. So here is generalized things to write tables. So initially you see a symbol here, a vertical line. So these vertical lines are used to denote the columns. So here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you are having 4 vertical lines. So we are having 3 vertical columns. So LCR denotes the left alignment, center alignment and the right alignment of the columns. Okay. So if you are creating a table, you will be using vertical lines. But what about the horizontal line? For that we have /H line, which adds horizontal lines above and below rows. And this double slash is used to end a row or a column, or it can be generally used to end a line. So for example, in the next session, let us take here. So if you are wondering about how to find the code for a particular paragraph, if you are having any difficulty or any error in a particular paragraph, but you have to look for the code of that particular paragraph in the overall line, don't need to worry about that. You can just click Control and then select the paragraph where you are looking for, like Control and select. See, when you press your Control button on your keyboard and select the paragraph, it will automatically take you to the code. So no need to worry about searching the entire code for that particular paragraph. You can use, just simply click your Control button and select the paragraph to get your code directly. So here you can see fractions, summations, integrals, matrices and more, full stop, and the line ends there. The next line starts. Mathematics in LaTeX. LaTeX can be written in 2 modes. So to get the line, instead of continuing on the previous line, I use the double slash to get the line to the next one, to the next row. So for example, if I remove this double slash, you can see the change. See, the line will merge with one another. So you can use double slash to bring it to the next line. Don't forget to compile things so that you can save your file, or else the written content will be lost. So here we have an example table. So as you can see, section star. So if you are wondering what is this section star is, basically there may be some important things within a section, but you don't need it to be noted in the table of content. Then you can use the star. The star just suppresses the section from being denoted at the table of contents. You can use this star even for subsection or subsections. It just suppresses a term from being appeared on the table of content. So here we begin with begin tabular. So for every beginning we have an ending. So we have end tabular. Then we have first column, second column and our third column, L, C and R. and we use slash hline to create these horizontal lines for each row, and the terms that are written within each column are separated by this and symbol. This and symbol just separates the things in each column. If you forget to write an and symbol, then that's all. It will be a chaos. So don't forget to add your and symbol to make a tabular column clean and neat. Actually, this is a small one, so that it may look a bit easy, but if you are looking for a bigger table like this, control click, just look at this. Writing these big tables could be a way more hectic thing, but practicing it could make it a lot easier. And one more thing, while writing tables, if you are wondering how to add captions for your table, here we have, after completing your table, you can write slash caption, and what caption you want to write below your like what is the description of your table, you can write in the caption and close bracket. After that you have to close your table. So here, if you are wondering what is this long table is, if you are having a huge list of data that are to be entered in a table, and if you are thinking like if the table could go for 2 or more pages, so that you don't want each and every page you have to write begin table or begin table LC or separating the columns, you can just go like this, begin long table. This long table will just expand the table to multiple pages, that's it. So here we are having 2 columns. So in the first column, left alignment, in the second column I am denoting the length of the column. So if you are reducing the length to be 5 centimeters, you can see the change there. See, the change in the length of the second column is clearly visible. Oh, sorry. So here you can see so this 10 centimeter denotes the length of the second column. So H line, text BF, package separated, text BF functionality, H line. So end firsted, H line, end head. These are the things that are like way too critical for just to begin LaTeX. So just get, first of all, let's practice with the basic things, then we can go for further more advanced things. So looking here, we can just get to know that slash begin long table can be used to make your table go on for multiple pages. That's it. Let this be clear. Don't get confused with other stuffs here. So you can write your table in this simpler manner. So let's not get confused with what we have seen above. So this is the basic syntax to write a table or column. So let's go with mathematical equation symbols. So here we have a subsection, writing mathematical equations. So let's cut to the chase. In writing mathematical equations, we have 2 modes, inline mode and display mode. In the inline mode, we will be writing the equation within a text. Like in a paragraph, you may write some parameters or some other equations within the text. Whereas in display mode, we will be writing your equation to display separately away from the text. So for inline mode, you can just use this dollar symbol at both ends of your equation. So just using the dollar symbol at the ends of your equation, you can use it for your inline mode. Whereas for display mode, you have to use slash square bracket at the beginning as well as at the ending, so that your equation may appear like this at the center. So this is the display mode. So many of us as researchers, we want our equation to be numbered as equation number 1, equation number 2, and so on. So if you want your equation to be numbered, then you can use the command begin equation. So using this syntax, we can get our equation to be numbered like this. Or else if you are using an array of equation like 2 to 3 equations continuously, you can use begin eqn array. So using this will give you the flexibility to write multiple equations in a single command. You can use this double slash so that your equation will not be continued on and on, it will be cut to the end. So here you can see after C I have been using the double slash. So here also you can see that I will be using double slash after my equation. If I just remove the double slash, then the previous equation will be just continuing after the C. So to prevent that, I am using the double slash as said before. So using the single command eqn array, I can achieve equation numbering for multiple equations. So in writing the equation, we have multiple problems, like for example, if you look at here in the equation number 2, we have z cross a. So to achieve the cross product symbol, you can just use a capital X or a small x. We have a separate command for symbols in LaTeX. So the command for using cross product, it is slash times. So here also I have been using slash times. So z slash times a will give the cross product of z and a. So simultaneously in the equation 3 we have been using fraction. So here you can see the syntax of fraction. Slash frac, in the first bracket we will be writing the numerator. So here in the equation you can see y as a numerator. So frac, in the first bracket we have been writing y. In the second bracket we will be writing our denominator. In the denominator too we have a fraction 3 divided by x plus b. So the denominator will be written in the second bracket. So going on with the fourth equation, we have m subscript of z. So to write our subscript in LaTeX, we will be using underscore. M underscore z will give you the subscript of mz. Similarly, in the next term we have kx square. So here we are having a power as well as a subscript. So to achieve that, we can write as k underscore x hat to the power 2. So the hat symbol is used to denote power. So k underscore x hat power 2, we can achieve kx square. So in the third term we can see a dot product 2 dot z. So in order to achieve a dot product for any two different variables, you can, or else let it be like w dot product z. Okay, so w dot product z exponential ax plus b. So to get this dot product, we can use a command slash c dot. So this slash c dot will give the dot product of any two parameters. Okay, so here I have given a list of symbols that are most commonly used in LaTeX. I also given the syntax for fraction, square root, summation, integral, partial derivatives, and other symbols too. So if there is any requirement of any other symbols that are not given in the list, you can look further on online. So that's it, we can end this session here.